Welcome everybody to Just Pew It. My name is Andrew, and today we are going to be testing the Hornady Black versus the Hornady Super Performance. The Hornady Black is 140 grain boat tail hollow points, and then the Super Performance is 120 grain GMX rounds. Both I have shot for quite a while. I am a big fan of the Hornady Black. I am not a fan of the Hornady Super Performance. I've always had left flyers with that stuff, but today we're gonna test it out a little bit better using a bag, trying to see if where it's just me or if it's actually the ammo. Let's see what happens. All right, up first we're going to be using the Hornady Black. We'll do a 3-shot group because this stuff's expensive and I really don't want to have to buy any more of it for a while. And yes, I am going to be using the target that I used for the 0. We'll just make sure not to shoot anywhere near that one so nobody gets it all misconstrued. All right, we will be going for the upper left. Low. Alright, that's our 3-shot group with that Hornady Black. Let's try out this Super Performance 120 grain GMX rounds. And we will be shooting for the middle because that is the best way to determine if I'm getting some left flyers again from this ammo. Alright, those 3 look like they're touching, so I'm going to assume that before it was me or it was the little stand that I was using, but let's go check it out just to make sure. But through here it looks like those 3 are touching. Alright, so very shocked with this one. Like I said, I have had nothing but problems with the Hornady Super Performance, but this time this was the Super Performance right here and this was the Hornady Black. Both of them, I mean, that's probably a less than an inch group. That one's definitely sub MOA, but yeah, I guess I can't talk crap about that Super Performance anymore, and I'm just gonna have to chalk it up to I just was not shooting very well. So other than that, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, just pew it. Thanks guys.